Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by structuring campaigns around product categories for clearer performance insights. Use separate campaigns for brand, generic, and competitor keywords. Use exact, phrase, and broad match modifiers to control reach and cost. Set a daily budget such as 0 and a max CPC of 50 to avoid overspend. Apply location radius targeting, like 30 miles around top stores or service areas. Exclude irrelevant regions explicitly to improve relevance and reduce wasted clicks. Schedule ads during your peak hours using data from the first 30 days of activity. Create 3 responsive search ads per ad group to test messaging and headlines. Write distinct headlines that include benefits, offers, or timeframe incentives like 24-hour sale. Include price points such as 9 and state free shipping or returns to increase clicks. Use clear CTAs like buy now, get quote, or book today to drive action. Apply demographic bid adjustments and use remarketing lists with a 70% bid modifier for warm audiences. Use audience targeting layered with keywords to increase relevance and conversion probability. Implement conversion tracking and assign monetary values, such as 50 per sale for ROI clarity. Set a baseline performance goal like a 3, 5% CTR, and review search terms weekly. Use negative keywords to cut irrelevant traffic and lower cost per conversion. Run a/B tests for headlines, descriptions, and landing pages, and compare results over a 30-day period. Pause or adjust underperforming keywords and creatives after testing completes to reallocate budget. Check quality score drivers and improve landing speed, relevance, and add.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.